Hey guys, what's up? It's Tish. I know I haven't done a video lately, so I decided to do a makeup tutorial because I haven't done one either. And I've been waiting to show you guys this look because I'm obsessed with it, and I did it one night for a party. Actually, you wore it a couple times, but like I switched up the colors a little bit. And yeah, I was very, very happy with the results. So yeah, so I'm excited. Sorry, I'm just staring and just freaking my face because I feel like it looks really good today, you know, besides these pimples. But also, in this tutorial, I kind of messed up because, like, you know how sometimes the camera's too bright and you gotta kind of, like, click it. So I kind of had to do that with my camera. So I did, like, an 8-minute video over my eyeshadow. Luckily, I didn't start anything else. So, but I did, like, tell you guys what color I used here. So you guys will see that in the tutorial, obviously. So yeah, before you get to my video, you might as well just subscribe because yeah, just subscribe below because I'm amazing. And yeah, life's good. So yeah, let's get to the makeup tutorial. Just take a leap of faith, we'll find a way for you and me. Okay, so right now I'm super pissed off because, of course, my camera was running, it was recording, but it was so bright. So I'm like taking my camera, like it looks so pretty. So I'm going to do my makeup tutorial from here. It's gonna be a short one. I'm going to show you guys what I did. So I take this purple right here. Wait, first I lied. Sorry, I'm so pissed. All right. So I take details right here. Well, it's on the back, not right here, right here. And I do that over all my eyes, like a base, both for my eyes. And then, for that, I take this pretty purple right here. I can't say it right. Oh, looped. It's so pretty. Put it right here. So, like, I'm going to go over it a little bit because I feel like I need to touch it up. So, I'm going to go over that right here, halfway on my lid. And then the other one I did the same for, obviously. But then halfway, and then I take this burgundy color right here, Peace of Mind, and I come over here and I just blend that all through, which I can just blend right now for you guys. Blend that all through. On this side too. So have that Peace of Mind right here, blending all the way through. Then I take this really pretty other burgundy. It's like a pinkish burgundy. It's called Late Night, and then I put it like more in the crease right here to make it like more of a pink tone. You can't really see it because that's how I wanted it. It's like more darker in here. So that's that. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows, which is going to be off camera. This is where I stopped at when I realized that like the camera was so bright that like you didn't see what it was doing. Yeah, I'm annoyed. So I'm like going to keep on checking and making sure like everything's okay because I peed off. Okay, so now I'm gonna do highlight, and I don't know, I've really been liking this color lately, Summer. It's super cute, and my camera's crooked. But I've really been liking Summer right here. It's super cute. So I'm gonna spray my brush with the MAC Pepper Prime. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronze right here too. The color's so pretty. I'm gonna go lightly. Look how pretty, holy shit. So life has been great. I'm 10 times better than I was like 2 freaking weeks ago. Gosh. Keep on shaking it. Ooh. Oh yes, I already brushed my teeth too. I like brushing my teeth before I do my makeup and stuff. Sometimes I forget, so I gotta like pause and go brush my teeth. Fun fact you know about me. So now I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone with that too. before. I need to start doing it before I do my eyebrows, so I won't feel like I get it and like I end up doing something like this to blend it, make it look right. If I don't blend it, don't look right, so I'm like, whatever, I need to blend it. So I'm going to take the Superhero by It's Cosmetics mascara, and I'm going to put some on these lashes. But in the end, I'm going to brush over everything, so I feel like I have like little stuff all over. I always take a brush and go back over everything just to make sure I have nothing on. Whatever. I'm going to take this pink that my one friend got me for my birthday one year. And I think this one I'm convinced that all my makeup tutorials are going to be like filled with like purples and pinks. And I try to stay away. It's so weird. I feel like those colors look best on me, and neutral color browns and stuff. This is Orgisty. I can't really say the name right. It's this pink. I use so much of it. This is by who is this by? Is this by CoverGirl? Right now I got Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. So I'm gonna take my setting spray and spray my face. I don't know. I might pop some lashes on after this, but I don't know. I really like the look without lashes. I feel like I don't need them. My lashes are very short, and I feel like you can put lashes on if you want. If you do, go ahead. It look good regardless without them. But I know this was a quick makeup tutorial. I've been wanting to do one, and I've been lazy. I was off yesterday, and I had the worst cramps ever, so I literally laid in bed all day. Shitty. And so yeah, so today I decided I need to get up and maybe do something even though it's gonna rain. So this is me doing something, a makeup tutorial. So yeah, life's good. So don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget the thumbs up, and catch you guys soon.